A histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of numerical data designed to show the frequency of data points within specified ranges, often referred to as bins. It's useful for understanding the distribution and spread of data, helping identify patterns such as normal distribution, skewness, or the presence of outliers. To create a histogram in Excel, follow these steps using an example dataset. For this example, let's consider we have data on the scores of 20 students in a science test, with scores ranging from 50 to 100. The data is shown below. Step 1. Enter your data. Open a new Excel spreadsheet. Enter your data in a single column. For this example, input the students' scores in column A, starting from cell A1. To create a histogram, you might need the Analysis Toolpath add-in. Go to File. Then click on Options. In the Excel Options dialog, click Add-ins. In the Manage box, select Excel Add-ins and click Go. In the Add-ins box, check Analysis Toolpath and click OK. If prompted, follow the instructions to install the add-in. Step 3. Prepare the bin range. Bins are intervals that group your data points. Decide on your bin range based on your data's distribution. In a new column, example column B, enter the bin numbers that represent the intervals. For our example, bins could be in increments of 10, starting from 50 to 100. Step 4. Create the histogram. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click on Data Analysis. If you've successfully installed the Analysis Toolpath, you'll see this option. Select Histogram from the list and click OK. In the Histogram dialog box, for input range, select the cells with your data. For bin range, select your bins. Choose an output option. You can output the histogram to a new worksheet or a specific location in the current worksheet. Check the Chart Output box to generate a histogram graph. Click OK. The below histogram and the table appear. Excel will generate a histogram that shows the frequency of scores within each bin range. This visual representation allows you to quickly assess the distribution and central tendency of your data. Step 5. Customize your histogram. You can customize the histogram by right-clicking on different elements of the chart, such as the bars, axis, or chart title, and selecting the appropriate options. By following these steps, you can create a histogram in Excel to visually analyze the distribution of your data, providing insights into its overall pattern and potential anomalies.